Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of this Japanese style teriyaki stir fry udon. So this was at Costco, and check this out. Here's the nutrient panel, and here's the back. So if you want to read the ingredients, pause the video. Alright, let's cook it up, and I'll do a quick taste test. So here is the what it looks like inside. It comes with 2 packets, and then I'm going to cook it up, and I'll be right back. Right, guys, there it is, all done. Let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so it has a nice sweet taste to it, but the veggies and the bonito flakes actually bring out a lot of that umami type of flavor. So definitely check out. If you have any questions, guys, please subscribe to the channel.